Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to Geology online class. And that is, I was continuing the biological terms. Under the, that is the biological terms, in the previous class, I had discussed about the body plan, symmetry, and the level of body organization. Clear? Let me start today about the germ layers. About the germ layers. About the germ layers. What is the meaning of germ layers? The germ layers are that is the layers of cells derived from the germinal cells. Germ layers are the layers of the cell derived from the germinal cells or the germ cells during the, or derived, that is the, from the germ cell during the, that is the gastrulation period or the gastrulation in the embryo, and that is the contributes, or that is the contributes to the formation of all the, that is the tissue and tissue organs and organ systems. Are you clear now? That is, the germinal layers are, or the germinal layers develop from the germ cells of the germ cells during the gastrulation period, during the gastrulation, and in future they develops into all types of tissue and the organs, clear? So you come to the, that is the germ layers. You know there are two types of cells are present in, that is the individual. One is body cell, one is the body cells, and another is the germ cells. Another cells are called as the germ cells. One is the body cells, another type is called as the germ cell. There are two types of cells are present in the body. One is the body cell or Somyokosha, and another is called as the germ cell, that is the Jananakosha. Clear? From the germ cells, we know, that is, I have told you in the, that is before this, that is the one sperm and one ovum comes, and which forms the zygote, 2n, that is called as the zygote, by the process called as the fertilization. বা সমায়ন দ্বারা এটি যুগ্মজ তৈরি হব, তৈরি হলা পরে এই যুগ্মটা কোন করিব না রিপিটেড ডিভিজন করিব, রিপিটেড ডিভিজন করিব, গোটে সেল দুইটা হব, দুইটা সেল চারটা হব, এমতি ডিভিজন হলা পরে a bulb of cells are formed. Gote solid bulb of cell is formed, and that is called as the morula. That is called as morula. And the process is called as the morulation. The process is called as morulation. Tapare kon hobo? And it will forms, it will converts into a empty bulb-like structure called as the blastula. And the process is called as the blastulation. जोटी ता भितरे गोटे कैविटी तैयारी हो, that is called as the blastocele. Blastocele. तापरे, and the process is called as the blastulation. तापरे एटा गोटे डबल लेयर हबो, डबल लेयर हबो. ए जो डबल लेयर हबो गोटे कैविटी मिति भितर को पसिबो, पसिला परे एटा डबल लेयर आस्ते आस्ते ए ब्लास्टोसील ता आस्ते आस्ते कमी जिवो. तेनु ए जो नुवा स्ट्रक्चर तैयारी हला, cavity theory, that is called as the archenteron. That is called as the archenteron. A jo aperture hala, that aperture is called as the blastopore. Blastopore. तापर कौन हो ना ये दीटा लेयर मिसी जीवो, हे कि डबल लेयर तैयारी करिवो, डबल लेयर तैयारी करिवो. एटा डबल लेयर करिवो. ए भितरटा तैयारी हबो एंडोडर्म. Derm means layer and endo means भितरे भितर लेयर एंड बाहर जोटा तैयारी हबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्टोडर्म एमती दीटा लेयर तैयारी हबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज द तापर एटा कोन हबो ना तीनटा लेयर को कन्वर्ट हबो तीनटा लेयर को कन्वर्ट हबो कोन हबो ना बाहरटा हबो एक्टोडर्म भितरटा गोटे तैयारी हबो दैट इज मेसोडर्म आउ मझीटा आउ भितरटा रहिबो दैट इज एंडोडर्म मेसोडर्म एंड आउटसाइड इज एक्टोडर्म तेणु ये जो डर्मिनल लेयर रहिला एटा कोट तैयारी हला दिस इज जर्म सेल तेणु जर्म सेल दैट इज दैट जर्म सेल आस्ते आस्ते डेवलप करकी एटा सिंगल लेयर हला एटी सिंगल लेयर हला एटी डबल लेयर हला एटी तीनटा लेयर हला सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज द जर्मिनल लेयर्स और these are called as the germ layers that is ectoderm mesoderm and endoderm ए जो प्रोसेस रे तैयारी हला that process is called as the gastrulation clear that process is called as the gastrulation तेणु germ layer के that is the layers of the cell adher के अछि cell माने अछंती so these are the layers of the cells which develop from the germ cells during the gastrulation and contributes for the formation of the tissue and organs in future ए जो हला एक्टोडर्म मेसोडर्म एंडोडर्म एटू तैयारी हबो टिश्यू सब हाई स्कूल ले तुम पढिछो दैट इज एक्टोडर्म मेसोडर्म एंडोडर्म एतु सबुरु एपिथेलियल टिश्यू तैयारी हबो मसल टिश्यू तैयारी हबो कोटू ना that is the muscle tissue hobo mesoderm ru bone connective tissue आउ तमरो जो cartilage blood एउडा सब तैयारी होबो mesoderm रू आउ endoderm रू तैयारी होबो तमरो elementary canal लो inner layer lungs urinary bladder एउडा को तैयारी होबो endoderm रू clear so that is the definition कोन कहला the definition कहला the germ layers are the layers of the cells which derived from the germ cells and that is during the gastrulation and in future that develops into tissue and organs they are called as the germinal layers or the germ cells germinal layers or the germ layers clear then another that is under that is the depending upon that is the development of the animals from the germ layer जे ए केतटा जर्म लेयर रु एनिमल गुडा को डेवलप करिछि सेही अनुसार एठी एनिमल को दी भाग रे विभक्त करा गला कोन ना गुटे होछि डिप्लोब्लास्टिक अनदर इज ए ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक एनिमल डिप्लोब्लास्टिक animals what is the meaning of diplo di means two and another is a triploblastic animal tri means three clear di means two tri means three ता माने those animals एटा हला दीटा लेयर गुटे होची ectoderm another is the endoderm this is one is ectoderm another is endoderm clear the inner is endoderm endo means inside ecto means outside that is the inner is endoderm and outer is ectoderm those animal who develops from two germinal layers they are called as the diploblastic animals are you understanding me or not those animals who develop from the two germinal layer that is ectoderm and endoderm they are called as the diploblastic animal so एटा किए that is for example your hydra in the diploblastic animal that is in between that is the two layers in between the two layers ectoderm and endoderm there is a narrow space and which is filled with a fluid-like non-cellular substance that is called as the mesoglia. That is called as the mesoglia. That is the mesoglia. The spelling is variable. That is mesoglia, and these two are correct. That is the mesoglia. That is GL. That is EA or GLOEA. That is the mesoglia. That is this. That is the jelly-like substance, non-cellular, watery-like substance, which is formed in between the ectoderm and endoderm. That is called as the mesoglia. That is called as the mesoglia. Clear? So that is the under the that is the from the that is the regarding the development of the animals from the germ layer. They have divided into two groups. जो माने जर्म लेयर कोड जर्म लेयर डेवलप करचंती सही अनुसार एनिमल मान को दि भाग रे विभक्त करा गला गोटे हला डिप्लोब्लास्टिक another is triploblastic. Diploblastic means those diploblastic animals means those animals who develop from the two germinal layers, they are called as the diploblastic animal. Two germinal means ectoderm and endoderm. Two germinal layer, they are called as the diploblastic animal. In case that is the example is the coelentrates, and in the coelentrate group Hydra is animal. And in this there is a thin, that is a ectoderm, and this is the inner is endoderm, and as a thin layer is present in between, a thin jelly like or a fluid filled area is present which is not, that is containing any cell, non-cellular, and it is called as the mesoglia. It is called as the mesoglia. Clear? But in some book it has been written, किछि बहिरा एमिति लेखा हिछि, कोन लेखा हिछि ना जो एनिमल ग्रो बॉडी वालटा दीटा लेयर रे तयारी सही मान हले डिप्लोब्लास्टिक. एठी दीटा जाको डेफिनेशन करेक्ट काई कि ना एठी जो डिप्लोब्लास्टिक एनिमल अछंती ये एनिमल करे सही जो दीटा एक्टोडर्म और एंडोडर्म रहिला एटा दीटा लेयर हे कि रहिला ता धेरु आ कोनोसी टिश्यू डेवलप हला नाही कि ऑर्गन तयारी हला नाही. सपोज एटी जो एक्टोडर्म रु एटी आउटर लेयर तयारी हला आ एंडोडर्म ता एटी इनर लेयर तयारी कला. दैट इज द एक्टोडर्म एंड एंडोडर्म ता भितरे जो नॉन सेलुलर लेयर रहिला jelly like, that is called as the mesoglia. That is called as mesoglia. एटा सीक्रेट हला एई सेल माने ताकू एटी झरेई की आज भितरे रखिले हला. तो तेनु एटी दीटा जाक डेफिनेशन करेक्ट कोन ना those animals who develop from the two germ layer, they are diploblastic, and the animal whose body wall consists of two layer is also diploblastic. एटी दीटा जाक डेफिनेशन समान हबो कारण एठी जो that is the germinal layer रहिला से germinal layer आ फर्दर डेवलपमेंट हला नाही से माने सही अवस्था रे ही रहि गले. तेनु सेति पई एठी दीटा जाक डेफिनेशन समान हला. That is called as the diploblastic animals. That is diploblastic animal. Clear? एठी कोन हला ना that is the ectoderm forms the outer covering and the endoderm forms the, that is the inner or gastroderm. That is the gastroderm, that is the endoderm, or it is called as the gastroderm कारण ये जो कैविटी ए कैविटी ता ना होची गैस्ट्रोवास्कुलर कैविटी कारण एडा डाइजेशन भी सहाय्य कला. गैस्ट्रिक माने डाइजेशन, वास्कुलर माने सर्कुलेशन, एंड कैविटी मीन्स कैविटी, दैट कैविटी which performs both the function, that is the digestion as well as the circulation. So it is combined called as the gastrovascular cavity, or it is called as coelenteron. That is coelenteron. That means hollow intestine, coelenteron. Clear? So this is diploblastic. Then you come to the triploblastic animal. Then you come to the triploblastic animal. So what is a triploblastic animal? I have told you that is three layers are present. Outer ectoderm, that is mesoderm, another is endoderm. Those animals who develop from the three germ layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, they are called as the triploblastic animal. Those animals who develop from the three germ layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, they are called as the triploblastic animal. So we are the triploblastic animal. So triploblastic animal, that is the triploblastic animals from the platyhelminthes up to that is the codex, that is all are triploblastic animal. In the triploblastic animal, mesoderm may develops into the coelom. Mesoderm may, that is the forms the coelom may, but in some case the mesoderm, that is the coelom may be absent. So the coelom then. And so what are the, are you understanding me or not? So the triploblastic means those animals which have developed from three germ layer, that is ectoderm, endoderm and middle is mesoderm. Clear? But here that is if you cut the body wall, then you will get the two layers. But here these three layers has been modified into different organs as well as a tissue and organs. So let me describe that is from which layer which organs are formed. जे आमे देखिबा वर्तमान को लेयर को that is the organ गुडाक तयारी होछि. So first of all you come to the ectoderm. First of all you come to the ectoderm. Ectoderm रे वर्तमान आम बॉडी की काटी देले आमे पाइबा नाही दीटा ले तीनटा लेयर पाइबा नाही. कारण आमर एठी बॉडी वॉल तयारी हेछि, मसल तयारी हेछि, बोन तयारी हेछि, हार्ट तयारी हेछि, लिवर तयारी हेछि, एवरी that is the body organ सब तयारी हेछि. तेनु एगुडा तयारी हला किमिति ना प्रथम आमे देखिबा ectoderm रु की तयारी होछि, that is ectoderm. तेनु मु प्रथमे कहिछि that is the first definition for the diploblastic. The body wall consists of two layers and the animals who develop from the two germ layer both are, that is correct for the diploblastic. Kintu ethi the animal body wall consists of three layer eta bhul. Karan ethi body wall re tinta layer na ethi sobu layer guda ko convert hei jaichi onyo organ ko. So first of all you come to the, that is the ectoderm. Ectoderm ru kiye tiyari heichi na epidermis of skin. Skin amar dita layer, epidermis and dermis, the skin tiyari heichi. Au kon tiyari heichi na the glands of the skin, gland jete glands of sweet gland, sebaceous gland एवडा जो अछि एवडा को आउ that is anus झाड़ा पड़ा, that is the alimentary canal last जो हमें झाड़ा फेरछु सेटा होछि anus opening. Enamel of teeth जो white देखुचे दांतर जो white ता देखुचे, that is enamel of teeth, that is the hardest organ of the body. Then entire nervous system, brain, spinal cord आउ ए जो nerve गुडा सब body भीतर को आसी एवडा के सब सेही ectoderm रो तयारी. आउ कोन तयारी हेछि ना maximum part of the eye, आखिर maximum part, that is the आखिर tintal, that is the sclera, choroid and retina. The maximum part, that is the ectoderm theory. How that is pituitary gland. पढ़ी की आस्था high school ले सब endocrine gland रे pituitary gland brain तले जो डालसी सेटा भी ectoderm रे. How internal ear कान रे जो तीनटा चैम्बर अछि external, middle and internal ear ता इसे तयारी हेछि. Our pineal body, that is pineal gland, brain ऊपर गुटे gland अछि ताना pineal gland. आउ के अछि the mammary gland जो breast, that is the female मानकर जो breast छुआ माने जो मार खीरो खाउछन, that is also, that is the that is develops from the ectoderm. तनो बुझियाला तनो ectoderm रो एई सब organ गुडा का develop होछि. Skin, that is the glands of the skin, this epidermis of the skin and the glands of the skin. Then that is the pituitary gland, then that is the pituitary gland, anus, enamel of teeth, dantar jo tan structure ta, that is entire nervous system, brain, spinal cord, मस्तिष्क सुषुम्ना कांड एगुडाक सबु आउ पिनियल बॉडी पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इंटरनल आउ मामारी ग्लैंड. So these organs have developed from the ectoderm. Clear? Then you come to the endoderm. Then you come to, that is the endoderm. Then from which organs develop from the endoderm? That is from the endoderm, epithelium of the digestive or alimentary canal. Epithelium means, suppose this is the alimentary canal जो inner layer roichi, that is called as the epithelium of the alimentary canal. Seta theory. How come? Na, that is the digestive system. Epithelium of the digestive system. Digestive gland, gland ଅଛି କୋଉଠି ଆମର stomach रे ଅଛି gastric gland, intestinal ଅଛି intestinal gland, एगुडा का जो सब अछि. आउ कोन अछि ना parathyroid, thyroid, that is the एगुडा का सब होछि कोउथरे तयारी ना endoderm रे. आउ कोटा तयारी ना eustachian canal, that is tube जोटा कानरु पाटी भीतर गुटे कैनाल अछि, कानर औषध पकेले पाटी पिता लागे, सेटा गुटे कैनाल अछि ता कोनती eustachian canal, सेटा तयारी. आउ कोन ना आउ कोटा तयारी ना यूरिनरी ब्लडर आउ दैट इज द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम लंग्स ट्रैकिया एगुडा सबू दैट इज द तयारी होची एंडोडर्म आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग मी और नॉट एंडोडर्म सु तयारी हला किए एलिमेंटरी बा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम रा एपिथेलियल लेयर सब तयारी हला लंग्स तयारी हला टोटल नर्व दैट इज द ये यूरिनरी ब्लडर तयारी हला आउ दैट इज द इस्टाचियन ट्यूब तयारी हला आउ मिडिल ईयर तयारी हला मध्य कान तयारी हला सो these organs has been developed from the endoderm then you come to the mesoderm a mesoderm maximum organ गुडा का तयारी हो किए your heart your that is the एट सब कोन तयारी हो ना मसल बोन्स ए जो मसल बॉडी रे सब अछि मसल बोन कार्टिलेज हला आउ कोन अछि ना सिलम हमें आपरे पढिबा that is the xylem and that is the blood vessel and that is the blood vessel आउ heart कहिछि मु आउ excretory organ kidney आउ एरो testis ovary reproductive organ आउ sclera choroid etc एवरा को mesoderm maximum structure develop करिछि bone cartilage heart that is kidney testis ovary female reproductive organ male everything has been developed from the mesoderm so you should take some idea that how the animals are developing from that is the zygote from the zygote from the that is the ovum and that is the egg are fused to each other to forms the zygote develops into the that is the morula develops into blastula develops into 2-layer gastrula then after 3-layer gastrula and from the 3-layer gastrula that is different organs are formed then the organ systems are formed and from the organ system the organisms are formed clear so let me that is differentiate what is the diploblastic and what is the triploblastic that is you come to the difference between the diploblastic and triploblastic what is the difference between diploblastic and triploblastic that is the first it develops from 2 germ layer and it develops from 3 germ layer first it develops from 2 germ layer and it develops from 3 germ layer 2 germ layers that is ectoderm and endoderm here the ectoderm mesoderm and endoderm then the second one that is here the middle layer is non-cellular that is the mesoglia that is a non-cellular that is a jelly like layer that is the mesoglia but here the middle layer comprises of a cellular layer that is called as the mesoderm मझी लेयर आसीबो एठी गुटे पतला मु एठी देखैथिली जे बॉडी रो दीटा लेयर मझी रे गुटे पानी भलिया लेयर रहइबो that is called as the mesoglia सेटर कोनोसी सेल रहइबो नाही किंतु एठी समिति that is the mesoderm क्लियर एडा होची mesoderm रे कोन ना एठी गुटे सेल लेयर रहिला जेमिति that is हमें क्षीरटा आणुचे कोटू गाय पाखुरु किंतु क्षीरटा को हमें गाय कतरु आणुचे ताकू हमें कहूचे निरामिष द वेजिटेरियन किंतु तार मांसटा को हमें कहूचे that is the आमिष पाई सेटा ता आसुची गाय पाखुरु पाई because it does not contain any cell it does not contain any cell but it muscle that is the muscle ta ba bone the cell guda achi but here it does not contain any cell animal cell but here it contains the animal cell सेनु एटा को हमें निरामिष कहूछ एटा को हमें आमिष कहूछ कहा को मिल्क कहू ये then the third is एडी कोन आइची ना the gastrovascular cavity is present gastrovascular cavity मु कहिछि जो cavity टा अछि ए cavity टा एटा दीटा काम करूची एटा gastric माने डाइजेशन रे सहाय्य करूची हाइड्रा केस रे आई गेस्ट दैट इज डिप्लोब्लास्टिक एनिमल केस रे आउ कोन करूची ना सर्कुलेशन रे सहाय्य करूची सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द गैस्ट्रोवास्कुलर कैविटी किंतु ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक रे कोन आइची ना डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एंड वास्कुलर सिस्टम्स आर सेपरेट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम और सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम दे आर सेपरेट सो दैट इज it here the that is body contains the gastrovascular cavity but here that is the digestive and the circulatory systems are separate. Another is respiration and excretion respiration माने श्वास क्रिया और एटा होची रेचन क्रिया that is the systems or there is no respiratory and excretory organs कारण एटा ता बॉडी सरफेस रे हे जाउची ए बॉडी सरफेस रे हे जाउची किंतु एठी सेपरेट ऑर्गन्स अछि रेस्पिरेशन पई प्लस एक्सक्रिएशन पई दैट इज द रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रिएशन टेक्स प्लेस by different organs respiration होउची lungs द्वारा आ एक्सक्रिएशन होउची किडनी द्वारा हला तापर आमे देखिबा द नर्वस सिस्टम इज डिफ्यूज्ड वन एटी कोन होउची नर्वस सिस्टम ता डिफ्यूज माने आ भीतर गोटे नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है कि रहिছে नर्वस सिस्टम किंतु एठी नर्वस सिस्टम इज सेंट्रलाइज्ड माने हम बॉडी रो सेंटर रे अछि स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आ ब्रेन दैट इज ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक वी आर द ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक so that is these are the difference this is the hydra and this is man cat dog that is birds all that is the higher animals are the triploblastic clear so this is the difference between diploblastic and triploblastic then you come to the next that is you try to understand me these are very important things I have taken 6 or 5 to 6 or 7 classes only to describe these words clear so I try to finish today the terms then I will start the classification of animal kingdom to the next class so then you come to the coelom what is coelom that is what is coelom or the coelom means it is called as the body cavity what is the body cavity what is the coelom or the coelom means body cavity so what is the body cavity if you take the cross section of an animal जदि हम गोटे क्रॉस सेक्शन नबा एमती काटी दबा बॉडी टाको ताले हम कोन पाइबा ना दीटा लेयर पाइबा इफ आई टेक द टीएस हला ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन एटा एमती अछि ताको एमती काटिबा टीएस ताले हमें कोटी कोन पाउ कि न पाउ कोन हेथिबो ना जदि गोटे एनिमल टे एमती तयारी हेछि हला तो एठी तार पार्टी आरंभ हेछि एठी तार एनस शेष हेछि दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द एलिमेंटरी कैनाल बा खाद्य नली एलिमेंटरी कैनाल आ एटा हला तार बॉडी वॉल एटा हला तार बॉडी वॉल ए बॉडी वॉल आ एलिमेंटरी कैनाल ले जो मोझी जागाटा दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सीलम so this is suppose this is the thickness of the elementary wall and this is the thickness of the body wall eta hala body wall eta hala elementary wall this is called as the body wall and this is called as the elementary wall elementary canal wall এই जो জায়গাটা রই গলা এই जो গ্যাপটা that is called as the coelom এইটা কোন হইতিবো এইটা গোটে ফ্লুইড ভর্তি হইতিবো and this is called as the coelomic fluid এই coelomic fluid টা কোউটো আসিবো না এই जो that is elementary canal আর body wall র দি সাইড রে সেল ওডা রইবে এই মানে সিক্রেট করিবে হলা এই সিলম র দি সাইড রে সিলোমিক এপিথেলিয়াম রইব that is coelomic epithelium that is the layer which covers the surface is called as the epithelial layer टा कोन सेल मानक द्वारा तयारी गोटे लेयर एटा तो जीव ना एटा तो एमती काठ कि एटा माने नॉन लिविंग नुए तेणु एटी सब गुड़ा सेल ले तयारी तेणु ए जो लेयर टा तमरो ए जो ड्यू टू दी कोरोना पाए तमरा किसी कोर्स काटी देछि तेणु सेइथरे टिश्यू टा को काटी देछि तेणु टिश्यू पढ़िथिले आमे जानि थांते व्हाट इज द एपिथेलियल टिश्यू where it is present एटा हम पढ़ी थांते तेणु एवडा को तमरो डिलीट कर देछि तमरो ए जो 30% कोर्स कमेछि ता धरे टिश्यू को काटी देछि तेणु ए जो सिलम हमें पढुचे तार एटा गोटे केविटी ए केविटी रो दीटा सरफेस अछि गोटे आउटर सरफेस गोटे इनर सरफेस ये दीटा सरफेस रे that is the epithelial layer रहिबो तेणु epithelial layer epi means above thelium that is सब टिश्यू रे एटा ऊपर रहिबो बा एटा सरफेस तयारी लेयर तयारी करिवो तेणु एठी सिलम रो दीटा सरफेस एटा आउटर एटा इनर ये दीटा लेयर रे एपिथेलियम लेयर रहिबो बा सेल रहिबो ए गुडा को सिक्रेट करिवे गुटे फ्लूइड से इस फ्लूइड को आगला सिलोमिक फ्लूइड ए जो सिलोमिक फ्लूइड रहिला तेणु एटा रहिला सिलोमिक फ्लूइड तेणु ए सिलोम अनुसार हां एटा तेणु ये दीटा लेयर रहिला सिलोमिक एपिथेलियम एटा हला आउटर एटा हला इनर ए आउटर ताको कहंती पेराइटल पेरिटोनियम एटा को कहंती पेराइटल पेरिटोनियम पेराइटल पेरिटोनियम एंड भीतरटा को कहती विसेराल पेरिटोनियम विसेराल पेरिटोनियम पेरिटोनियम तेणु एटा को कहती तेणु आईटा हला कौन ना एटा हला खाद्य नली एटा ये कौन थिबो दिस इज फूड एंड दिस इज टीएस माने एमती गुटे ट्रांसफर सेक्शन गुटे एनिमल लिहाई तेणु तुम सपोज गोटे कलम आण गोटे पेन आण पेन को एमती काटी दियो काटिदेले देखिबो पेन रो खूलटा गोटे दैट इज इट इज सपोज इट इज द बॉडी वर्क आ रिफिलटा गोटे सपोज इट इज द एलिमेंटरी वाल बा एलिमेंटरी कैनाल ता भितरे काली अछि तमर जेमती खाद्य अछि ता भितरे सेमती काली अछि लाइक दैट आ मझिरे जो गैपटा रहिला से गैपटा हला सिलम क्लियर दिस इज द एग्जांपल ए सिलम भितरे कोन आइछि हार्ट रहउछि लंग्स रहउछि किडनी रहउछि अन्य ऑर्गन रहउछि आ भितरे पूरा फ्लूइड भर्ती होइछि ता भितरे सेटा पानी रहिछि तेणु एटा मन रखिथिबो जेमिति रसगुल्ला तुमे देखिथिबो दुकान रे रसगुल्ला हांडी रे रसगुल्ला सब रहिछि गुटे पात्र रे रसगुल्ला थिबो रसगुल्ला चारिपटे पानी अछि रसगुल्ला भितरे भी सिरा अछि रसगुल्ला बाहरे भी सिरा रसगुल्ला भितरे भी सिरा ठीक सेमिति आम बॉडीटा ऊपरे एमती पात्र भलिया गुटे स्किन रहिछि ये स्किन ता ताको कवर कर रहिछि ता भितरे सेल सब अछंती ए सेल भितरे भी पानी अछि आ बाहरे भी पानी अछि हला ठीक सेमिति एटी सब आडे हमर पानी अछि कारण हमें पानी रु तयारी हमर सारिया रे पानी अछि हमर बॉडी सेल भितरे भी पानी बॉडी सेल बाहरे भी पानी तो सेल भितरे रहिले इंट्रासेलुलर मैट्रिक्स बाहर रहिले एक्स्ट्रासेलुलर मैट्रिक्स इंट्रासेलुलर मैट्रिक्स एंड एक्स्ट्रासेलुलर मैट्रिक्स क्लियर सो लाइक दैट एटी सिलम रे एटी पानी रहइबो तेणु एटा हला the true silom गोटे सिलम हवा पाई this is the condition cavity रहिबो cavity रो दी साइड रे epithelial layer रहिबो cavity भितरे fluid रहिबो so this is a silom clear so depending upon the presence of silom that is silom रो presence नै कि ये animal को गुडाई भाग रे विभक्त कराई छी गोटे हला that is acylomate गोटे हला acylomate एक नंबर होची acylom सिलम और एनिमल मान को कहा जीवो एसिलोमेट एनिमल एसिलोमेट एनिमल्स क्लियर मु तुम कहि छी ए माने कोन ए माने नो दैट इज हियर द सिलम इज एब्सेंट हियर द सिलम इज एब्सेंट सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज द एसिलम एंड द एनिमल that is which contains the acylom or no silom they are called as the acylomate animal जो animal मान करे सिलम नाही से मान को कहला acylomate animal ए माने किए ए माने फ्लैटवर्म प्लानेरिया हला फ्लैटवर्म आउ किए ना एटा हाइड्रा रे कोन हेछि एठी कोन हेथिबो ना एटा फ्लैटवर्म टर कोन हेछि बा एटा होछि प्लानेरिया एटा फ्लैटवर्म दिस इज अंडर द फ्लैटवर्म रे कोन हेछि फ्लैट माने चेपटी जाइछि एनिमल टा एमति चेपटी जाइछि जा द्वारा कोन हेछि ता बॉडी वॉल टा एलिमेंटरी कैनाल सहित लागि कि रहिछि सो देयर इज नो गैप इन बिटवीन द दैट इज द बॉडी वॉल एंड एलिमेंटरी कैनाल elementary valve. So there is no gap, clear? And if the gap is present, it is solid, or it is that is filled with that is mesenchyma cell or parenchyma cell, etc. But here there is no gap, clear? In Hydra, that is the ectoderm and mesoderm, and here the ectoderm and endoderm. Here the fluid filled substance is present, that is called as the mesoglia. So there is no coelom, there is no space or there is no cavity in between the two layers, body wall and elementary canal. So they are called as the acoelomate. They are called as the acoelomate. that is the planaria, where fits with the closely fitted, and these are called as the acoelomates. Clear? So, fluid filled measure of the space. Then you come to the, that is pseudocele. Then you come to the pseudocele. This is called as the acoelomates. Clear? Are you understanding me or not? That is, acoelomate means there is no coelom. There is no coelom. That is, A means no, and coelom means the body cavity. Here there is no body cavity. So they are called as the acoelomate animal. Clear? Then you come to the second one, that is the pseudocoelomate or pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom. And that is called as the pseudocoelomate. Pseudocoelomate. The coelom is called as the pseudocele. Pseudo means false. Pseudo means false. And the animal containing the pseudocele, they are called as the pseudocoelomate. False coelom cavity rakchandi, they are called as the pseudocoelomate animal. Pseudocoelomate animal. That is pseudocele or pseudocoelomate animal. What is that? Here, the space is present. The space is present. The space is present, but it is not bounded by the, and here there is a gap. How? Eti kona aithibo? Mesodermal cell udako emiti pouch heiki ta mojhire buluthubo. Emiti gote definite layer tiyari kari nahanti. Hala? That is the pseudocoelomate. That is here the coelom. That is here the coelom is false. Here the coelom is false. As it is formed from the blastocele of the embryo, but not by the splitting of mesoderm. It is mesoderm ro split heiki nahi. Barang it is mesoderm ro pouch khanda khanda emiti buluchi ta bhitere. So there is no. It is blastocele ru hi coelom ta tiyari heichi. Au eti khanda khanda, that is the mesoderm ro pouch khanda khanda patch emiti buluchi ta bhitere nahi. Ba eti there is a space achi, se space ta hochi blastocele ro tiyari. Au eti mesoderm ro tiyari hei nahi. Eta blastocele ro tiyari. Plus eti a boundary re kiye nahi na eti, that is peritoneal layer nahi. Rather kon heichi na eti khande khande mesodermal patch emiti mojhire buluchi. Hala badal khanda bhaliya khanda eta buluchi. So this is ba megha khanda bhaliya emiti khanda buluchi. So this is called as the pseudocoelom. Clear? So it is a false coelom. Clear? It is not formed from, that is the splitting of the mesoderm. Then you come to the coelomate or eucoelomate or true coelom. Eta keiti thibo? Eta keiti thibo? Eta jemiti hala hydra planaria. Eta kouti thibo? Na eta hochi, that is called as the roundworm, hookworm, hookworm. Ei sub animal the pseudocoelom thibo. Hala? Then you come to the another. It is called as the true coelom. It is called as the true coelom, or that is eucoelom. Eucoelom. Or the animal is called as the coelomate animal. The coelomate animal. The animal is called as the coelomate animal, which contains the true coelom or the eucoelom. Eiti kona heitibo? Tomku jo prathame mu bujheithili what is the coelom. The space between the body wall and the alimentary canal is called as the body cavity or the coelom, and which is lined by outer and inner epithelial layer, that is called as the mesothelial or mesodermal, that is the epithelium or the mesodermal cells, layers of mesodermal, or this cavity has been formed from the splitting of the mesoderm, So this is called as the true coelom, and the animals bearing the true coelom or eucoelom, they are called as the coelomate animals. They are called as the coelomate animal, where there is a space between the body wall and the alimentary canal, and these spaces are lined by outwardly and inwardly by the coelomic epithelium. So this is called as that is the true coelomate or eucoelomate animal. Clear? Then another, it is found in Annelida, that is, it is found from the Annelida too, that is the, and this plan here, in case of the acoelom, that is the, in this animals, or these animals are, that is the formed from the body plan like a tube within a tube. So a narrow tube, that is present within a wide tube. the wide tube is your body wall and the narrow tube is your alimentary canal. So this gap is called as the coelom, where the other internal organs are present and which performs other function of the body, This, that is the coelomate animals are, that is the form, that is by the tube within a tube body plan, Then another is called as the that is the tube within a tube, that is from Annelida to Codet. These are all, that is the true coelomate or coelomate animal. Clear? Then you come to the another coelom is also present, that is which is called as the hemocoelomate or hemocoel. That is called as the hemocoel, or the animal is called as the hemocoelomate. Hemocoel. What is hemocoel? Hem means blood. Cell means cavity. Here, actually, that is the animals. This is called as the hemocoel, and the animals which bears that is the hemocoel, they are called as the hemocoelomate animal. What is that? What is the condition? That condition is that here the coelom is reduced. Actually the coelom is reduced, and that coelom is, or that space is filled with its own blood. This is the blood is present. Clear? That is called as the hemocoelomate. It is found in cockroach. It is found in cockroach or sarpa, and that is the chitika, etc. The insects, that is called as that is hemocoelomate. Here it is the body wall, and this is the alimentary canal, and this space is reduced and it is filled with their own blood, and the hemocoel helps them in the circulatory, it behaves as a transporting of the fluids, and these are the hemocoel, where it helps to distribute the food materials, hormones, etc. Clear? So this is called as the hemocoel. Here, transport that is the materials through the body cavity. Clear? Then, how the coelom has developed? There are two probability of that is the process by which the coelom is formed. Clear? So let me describe that. So first of all, that is the sperm and the ovum comes, then it will forms the zygote, and that zygote, that is the division and redivision to forms the morolla, that is solid bulb-like structure called as the morolla. Then it forms a empty bulb-like structure called as the blastula. Then it converts into a double layer structure called as the gastrula. It is early gastrula, and then after it will forms three layer. It will forms the three-layer structure, that is ectoderm. First, it forms two-layer structure. First is ectoderm and endoderm. This is endoderm and this is ectoderm. And here this region and here this region just surrounding and this is the notochordal cell. This is the notochordal cells, and these are the mesodermal cell, and this is the endodermal cell. ଆଉ ଏଟା ଏଉଠୁ ଏତିକି ଥିବ ନ୍ୟୁରାଲ ସେଲ୍, ନର୍ଭସ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଯେ ତିଆରି କରିବ ନ୍ୟୁରାଲ ସେଲ୍ସ। ଆଉ ଏଉଠୁ ଏତିକି ଥିବ that is ectodermal cell, that is ectodermal cells. Clear? तो एटी जो न्यूराल सेल रहिला एटा परवर्ती काल रे एटा राउंडेड हे जिवो आउ ये दुईटा लेयर बढ़ी बढ़ी के एटा जुड़ी जीवो आउ एटा तयारी हो नर्वस सिस्टम ब्रेन स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एठी नटोकोडटा अलगा हे जीवो अलगा है कि एटा को कवर कर जीवो एटा नटोकोडटा एटा हे जीवो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम मेरुदंड हे जीवो एटा ब्रेन आ ब्रेन को स्कल कवर करिवो आ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को कवर करिवो किए ना वर्टिब्रल कॉलम एटा हला नटोकोड हला आ एई जो दुईटा लेयर रहिला ए लेयर भितर को पसि जीवो दैट इज एटा हला मेसोडर्म एटा होची मेसोडर्म एई कैविटीटा होची आर्केंटेरम एई कैविटीटा होची आर्केंटेरम बहुत केस रे कौन हुए आर्केंटेरम ता भितर को पसि जाए मेसोडर्म को एमती पाउच भलिया बाहर को काढ़ी दिए पाउच भलिया बाहर को काढ़ी दिए ताने स्ट्रक्चरटा केमिति हबो एमती हबो एंडोडर्मटा एमती रहिबो एटी मेसोडर्मटा दी साइड रे पाउच भलिया बाहरी दिबो बाहरी गला परे एटा अलगा हे जिवो एटा कोन हबो ए दीटा अलगा हे जिवो अलगा हे गले कोन हबो एटा हला एक्टोडर्म एगुडा कोन एक्टोडर्म आउ एटा तले अलगा हे जिवो ए दीटा जुड़ी जिवो एटा हे जिवो एलिमेंटरी कैनाल एंडोडर्म एलिमेंटरी कैनाल एटा हे जिवो एंडोडर्म रु तयारी एंडोडर्म देन आउ एट जो बाहरी जाइथला ए पाउच भलिया ए जो दीटा बाहरी जाइथला एटा नर्वस सिस्टम तयारी करिवो ऊपर चली गला ए जो पाउच भलिया दीटा बाहरी जाइथला केउट बाहर थला आर्केंटेरम रु पळी जाइथला एटी मेसोडर्म सेल रहिछि क्लियर एटी बाहरला एटी ता भीतर कैविटी रहला ए कैविटीटा केउट तयारी हिछि ए आर्केंटेरम रु जाइछि या ए जो पाउच भलिया तयारी हितला एटा केउट जाइथला आर्केंटेरम रु जाइथला तेनु एटा आस्ते आस्ते बढ़िबो बढ़ी की कौन हम ना एटा हला बॉडी वॉल एटा हला एलिमेंटरी वॉल एटा हे जो टोटल मेसोडर्म एटा हे जो टोटल मेसोडर्म एटा टोटल बढ़ी जो बढ़ी की एटा गोटे कैविटी तयारी करिवो ता भितरे आउ ए दीटा लेयर ता साइड रे रहिवो ए दीटा होची आउटर आउ इनर एटा हबो इनर एटा हबो आउटर आउ एटा हला दैट इज द सिलम क्लियर एटा हला सिलम एटा हला पैराइटल पेरिटोनियम एटा हला विसरल पेरिटोनियम एटा हला सिलम तेणु जदि एमती डेभलप करिवो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेवलपमेंट दी प्रकार गोटे होचे सिजोसिलिक्स दैट इज द सिजोसिलस सिलम another is enterocylic xylem enterocylous one is a sizocyl another is enterocyl जदि एटा आर्केंटेरम को थ्रू डेवलप हेतिबो सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द enterocylous that is enterocylous ओडा का कहार ना सिजोसिल होची एनेलिडा आउ आर्थ्रोपोडा मींस मोलुस्का किंतु that is the enterocylic that is echinodermata हेमिकोडाटा कुटियाला थैंक यू